Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Brave VPN feature right inside the Brave browser. Let's dive in! Brave offers a built-in VPN service called Brave Firewall Plus VPN, but it's currently available only on mobile, iOS, and Android. If you're on desktop, Brave doesn't yet offer a built-in VPN, but I'll show you what you can do. On mobile, iOS only as of now. Open the Brave browser on your iPhone. Tap the three dots at the bottom, then go to Settings. Tap Brave Firewall plus VPN. If it's your first time, tap Try for free or subscribe and follow the setup process. Once it's on, Brave will encrypt and route your traffic securely, even outside of the browser. You'll also see a VPN icon in your status bar when it's active. On desktop, workaround. Since there's no official Brave VPN for desktop yet, you can use a trusted VPN extension like Proton VPN or Windscribe, or install a system-wide VPN on your computer. Just go to Settings. Extensions in Brave to add one from the Chrome Web Store. And that's how you use VPN with Brave browser on. Both mobile and desktop. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. See you next time.